Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning piece of German engineering that we're very proud to be bringing to market. So this vehicle is a Porsche Cayenne V6S automatic, finished in the classic crayon grey with a smooth finish black leather interior. Now this vehicle has covered only 22,384 miles and comes to you with a full Porsche service history, and wait for it, £24,021 worth of factory fitted optional extras. So this vehicle's first service was carried out at Porsche Centre in Silverstone in February 2022 at 12,165 miles. And with regards to that specification, I would certainly like to take you through the entire list on this video. So starting off with, on the interior of the vehicle, we have the Burmester 3D high-end surround system. This is different to the standard Burmester systems that are available, and especially as this one was originally a £4,200 factory option. We also have the 22-inch 911 turbo design wheels, coming complete with the wheel arch extension at a total of £3,497 factory option. We also have the smooth leather finish to the interior, and also which is known as the Monochrome. Now this was a £2,331 factory option. At £2,012 we also have the sports exhaust system on this vehicle, finished in black to tie in with the other gloss black trim elements we can see, such as the door handles, wing mirrors, weather strips, etc. We also have the LED main headlights. They're finished in black with the matrix beam and the PDLS Plus, which was a £1,713 option. Now we also have the PASM, which is an adaptive air suspension with self-leveling control at £1,511. The Porsche Panoramic roof system, we will see a lot more of that when we head inside the vehicle. It's a £1,422 factory option. Now we also have a 14-way electric seats with memory package at £1,137. Park assist, including surround view, at £1,002. The Sports Chrono package, including the various different drive mode switch, at £774. Soft closed doors all round at £497. The high gloss black roof rails, which are a £413 option, again finishing all that exterior styling off. Privacy glass from that B pillar backwards at £354. A heated windscreen at £336. £308 worth of heated front seats. Ambient lighting for the interior of the vehicle at £287. We have a 20-inch collapsible spare wheel at £270. Auto dimming rear view and door mirrors at £252. The black exterior package, as mentioned before, at £245. The rear seats and their entertainment comes fully prepared for that, which is known as the preparation for Porsche rear seat entertainment at £245. Power steering plus at £203. A multifunction heated steering wheel at £189. The gloss black door handles, as mentioned, at £186. We also have the Porsche crest embossed on the headrests at £161. And the wheel centres with a full colour Porsche crest at £114. So that compromises the list of the factory fitted optional extras. And of course, I'm sure you would like to know the condition of this vehicle, not only on the exterior, but throughout the interior, is absolutely stunning. There we can see the Porsche logo embossed on those headrests. We also have, over on the door edge just here, that 3-position memory package and the various and multiple electronic seat controls on the side. Multifunction heated steering wheel, and of course that large display in the centre, which can be customised in many various different ways, but that will have your satellite navigation, all of the multimedia and vehicle settings, and of course that surround camera view. Heading into the rear of the vehicle, comfort levels for rear seat passengers here are just as high as they are in the front. Of course we have that panoramic roof covering right over the rear seat passengers. There is an electric blind which covers that for some privacy. Separate ventilation there, and various power supplies, again for the rear seat passenger comfort. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be bringing this vehicle